Kama dito kuya dapat sinilas. Without you. Good morning, everyone. Hindi guys.
Hindi ko na ako dito mayakin ito.
Halika na tayo. Maghanap ako chinila. Wait lang.
Kabarabod.
Palay-payat na tupol. Ano daw pa ating bukang ano? Sisyo.
Pa!
Hi, nagsasampay si Ate Yes. Hi, Mardo, kay Delofante. Tapos na maglaba. Di, kahapon ko, hindi natulog. Kakagising ko lang. Hi guys! Good morning guys! Good evening there guys! Thank you!
Ay, ano ba yan?
Nagda-live ka pala.
Pata. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning! Thank you for watching guys! Sampay! Sampay! why you are mad me? Guys, you're not the one. Ah, 15 months. She does. She does. Okay. Oh my god. Let's coffee, guys. Hey, team. Hello, and it's coffee, everyone. Coffee. Once. Hi, Brasova. Love lives. Just making sure I didn't do something wrong. That's why I was asking. No, you didn't something wrong, guys. You're good. You're a so good friend for me. No, you don't. You're not something wrong with me. Thank you so much, guys. Hi, Bruno Salva. How are you? Uh, Hi, Santosh Patale. Your location. I'm from Philippines, sir. Thank you, Bruno, for the thumbs up. What does Sino Simian? What's Sino? Sino? Sino means who? But what does Sino Simian mean? What? What do you mean? Love your... Thank you, Santosh. All of one. Thank you for watching, guys. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Your voice with there. Tita, what does Sino si mean? Cheryl, hi, Hi Cheryl, good morning. Another day in tropical paradise. Wow. No, you did nothing. We talked Biglan out also. Sino si means who? Yes, sino means who. Thank you, tita. Hi, tita.
Ang ano, ang hahaba, ay ang kakaba nila si Yerin. Mga tao dito.
Mga kamusta? Kami malagyan ano.
Parang
Sana all.
mag-pension lang. Ay, siya. Kasi Erikson ang kasama. Kasi hindi natipils. Yung sa atin. Yung hindi natipils yung sa ato original.
Oo, may nararamdaman yan sila. May aritang yan sila. May certificate sa katawan. Bakit? Bakit means why? Thank you, tita. How many children you have? One. I have one kid because someone said that in the chat group, Cheryl added me. Ah, okay. Sino means who? Who you? Reaching for the love that seems so far. So I see.
Kuya mo. Saan?
Hello, I think you tita. Hello, host. Hero. Hero. Lost Hero. Hi. Thank you. Ano? Ano rin? Lost Hero Games. Hi, tita. Shoe love. Iragsan mo, basa ko pa. Nasa 2020 vision pa. Sa nag-apply ako sa electronics kay Puan. 2020 vision ang matang. Tapos nag-medical ako.
Mapag-asyaw sa kami
Magsaka pa yan. Hey girl, on GC ask why in the group chat Cheryl. Ah, okay. She's my batchmate. Hi, magandang umaga. Thanks, Tin. Hi, hello, Lost Hero Games. Welcome to my channel.
Namsap naman pa.
Okay, I don't need to be a mod if you have enough Cheryl. No, I need you, tita. Oh my, team, I need tita. I need tita. I need you, tita. Oh my God. Learn how to take all the stars. Hold on to the wind. I know that. Mountain, there's a She stay moderate. Yes, thank you, team. I hope Cheryl gets monetized when I can send her super chat. Thank you, tita. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh, team, you know. Thank you so much, tita. I love you, tita. Kiss from the Philippines. Lost Hair Game, thank you so much. Hope everybody has a great day. I need to go to fix dinner. Okay, bye-bye. Lost Hair Games, where are you from? Thank you so much for joining here. My live stream. Sweet voice. Thank you, Santosh Patali. Thank you, Santosh. Santosh. Oh my goodness. Sending you hugs and kisses, Cheryl. Thank you, tita. Hugs. Hugs and kisses. I know my dreams. Thanks for visiting Lost Hero. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Lost Hero Games. Thank you. Smile, always smile. Thank you. Thank you, Santosh. When is the town festival? Here, Barangay Fiesta here and in our barangay is in August. Tita. In town, September. Fiesta in town, September. Bye. I will make sure to visit again. Thank you, Lost Hero Game. Thank you for joining. Lost Hero Game. Ano gusto niyo? Tinapay? Tinapay. Gusto mo tinapay? Oh, bye. Thank you. May ano dito ha? May sinangag. Renz, may sinangag. May tinapay dito ha. August, what do you need to be the barangay queen? Barangay queen here, tita. I'm the one of the candidate of barangay. It's money contest. If I earn the because it helps our barangay communities just to improve our barangay, like our barangay health center, like that, barangay, the road, it improve barangay community. Speak English, excellent. Thank you, Santosh. It helpful. Tim, he don't like me to be a candidate. He thinks I wear a bathing suit. No, not like that. Not like that. You mentioned you need a sponsor. Are all candidates need one? Yes. All candidates need one sponsor. Not, it's maybe more than one sponsoring. It will mention for example, from team USA, tan 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 tan, to Cheryl. Yes, it will mention in our barangay. This shout out from ganyan. Team, you're gonna help. I think he don't like me to be a part of queen here. He thinks it's no, it's not. It's not interesting. I will find another sponsor. It helps me. It helps like an envelope. I will give everyone to. It's okay, a little amount. It's help. It will help. It's for barangay. If I earn 5,000 pesos, it 30% less, and the rest for me, and the rest is for the barangay. It helps. One night celebration. Just the rampa. This one night rampa. No need to be a competition like wearing a gown, walking like that, no? It's a fun event. Yes, fun event. You can get recognized and it helps your community. Yes. It recognizes and it helps our community, barangay community. How can I help? You can help by like that team. I will give you an envelope or no. They mention here from Harley Team Harley USA to Cheryl Marmol, the amount. Then if I earn the 10,000 pesos, the 3% for the barangay or 2% in our barangay to improve our barangay community, and the rest is for me. I've been to several. It's a great time. Yes. If I keep her out of it, I can save her community by keeping her out. Oh my god. But it won't improve the Wi-Fi there. No, Wi-Fi is not from barangay. It's for own. Oh my god. Like the road, improve the road, the cart, barangay health center, yes, the barangay, some isolated area here need to improve the road because of the student, the electricity of the road. So many things to do here. If you can't help, it's fine. No need to, not it's fine. It's only to. What about new walking shoes for you because you don't drive? Drive? What about new walking shoes for you because you don't drive? Drive? Drive for bicycle? Come from maintenance taxes, which a lot don't pay. That's why infrastructure is not good there. Come from maintenance taxes, which a lot don't pay. That's why. Yes, yes, Tita. Never mind. I said she can enter if she wants to. Okay, thank you, Tim. Yes, Tita. I agree with you, Tita. I said she can. Okay, it's fine. Most jobs are under the table, so no taxes is collected to improve the roads, building, etc. Yes, I agree. Yes, Tita. You're right. Mama. But here needs the maintenance for the here I'm as one of the
Nagkape ka na?
we focus the undernourished children.
Magkape na tayo.
Kape na mo lang.
Ano po si Padre?
Thank you, Lord. Sabi man yun sa luwas? Ipagaganyan.
Kasi pag maya nakikita ko paano nakakita.
Pero pag mamaya, mahinga naman yun.
Pero kahapon wala siya higda-higda.
Gayon.
Wala siya naghigda siya gabi na. Ay yung na. Tapos anak magka.
Basta pag nakakaon siya sa dirit, tugma sa niya, siya. Siya na.
Yun nga inisip niya, Rayo, makaso yung celery at saka spinach na tinatanong ko, di daw nabuhay.
Baka kailangan ng
Pero diri man ko nila inubos pagtanong. Sabi ko, ipabuhay mo na sa
Pwede.
sa malilim na lugar.
sa malilim.
May sinanlag daw.
She wants me to go back. I'm way too busy that time of month. And plus, I will be there 2 weeks later. Yes. I live in the province for a month. No running water, no electricity or refrigerator. It was a very, very eye-opening experience. Yes, Tita.
May mapailawod ka?
Yes, no ref here in province. Lots. But here, we have a water and electricity. But the other place here in our barangay need to improve, like the water. The water is very important.
Labahan ko muna yung higdaan mo. Mamaya-maya.
Hi, pretty lady. She's my sister, Tita. My sister from Taiwan. Yes, it's called a hotel. We stay in hotel. Yes, Tim. But hotel here expensive. I told you. Nakakaang kita.
Magikaon. Magikaon. Kano? Inhanap kami ni ate mo. Ano ka ba dito? Sabi mo po. Sarap yan. May naman si mama.
Bihulagin mo na lang kayo. Doon ba kita na super mga
Ate,
Kaso lang ano, tayo ko na yung maglikat ng isla. May naglibot na? Ang ano mo ay pwede ka papaya. Tapos ano pala, lubi kay ma... Huwag ko pa sa dito. Parang may natak din si Mayra na
Worlds
lubi.
have been the same. Is Ate there for vacation? Yes po. Ate for vacation. 1 month vacation here, my ate. Yes, we had to buy mineral water and to try. The weather make it exhausting walking 2 kilometers to the main road. Yes, tita. It's a very legit. Walk a lot here. I will rent scooters for us, okay? Is Ati there for vacation or is she finished? Just vacation, tita. Just for vacation. Hi, Insan! Kumusta? Our instructor. Thank you, Tim. I know the hardship of Philippines life. I feel for those people. Thank you, Tita. Ha, kumusta, Insan? How are you na? Thank you. What does Ate work? He's a caregiver in Taiwan. Healthy Sun Charity. Kumusta kayo dyan? Ngayon lang ako nakadala. Ala, bakit? Bakit ano nangyari? O, ano yan? Overpatig yan. Ano, overpatig yan? Kung saan? Hi, Golden Pizza. Overpatig yan, insan. Overpatig yan. Ano mo yan? Katakatrabaho mo. Tapos stress din. Ano din? Stress sa ano. Ano mo dyan sa ano at bills is life. Okay. Taiwan will be in Singapore in December. We're meeting some Filipinos bloggers there as well. Thank you, oh my God. Thank you, Tita. God bless you. super stressful. Kaya, super stressful. Ano dyan, lifestyle. Charte, okay lang. Hope you are recovering well. Yes. Matagal-tagal pa pala ako makapunta dyan kasi ang ano ni Tim is, the marriage. Pinili niya yung marriage kaysa sa fiancé visa. Marriage visa is 1 year. Fiancé visa is 6 months. Ha? Kaya na. Manay ba siya no, insan? Ano si Sari, bata ni Mama Bing niya.
Hello! Kumusta ka dyan?
Kumusta ka dyan sa Amerika?
Jadi yang nak kerja, ramai surga ni semua. Ini kalau aku di Tinogo. Ini siapa ni? Pas lagi, kalau saya radio,
Charger.
ada pas lagi suara.
Hello! Oh my goodness!
Baik ngajon, aku sen kerja siapa mau ngaliput, saya mau. Itu, ano ka
Sa pala
ba?
Ito to na ang speaker na puti. Ay, sa tayo. Wala charger.
Lubot na.
Ito sa charger ko. Kasi ito, charger ko yung papahada.
Kain.
Ito nag-charge ko sa
Ayun ito na ako ako sa ngaliput.
Enjoy ito ni Papay. Bisan pag pumunta si Tim dyan, make sure puro mineral water lang inumin niya. Masama is dyan kasi. Okay. Okay. Hi Manay, kumusta? Okay naman po ako. Buti nakauwi ka after dyan. Charity. Okay naman. For how many years? 8 years bago nakauwi.
Mahal yung kalawiyagan ni, Andang.
Thank you, tita. I'm getting better, pero thank you so much. I getting better, pero thank you so much. Char, we will go shopping for things I like to drink. Yes. Yes, Tim.
Sa Ado, mapakatakan sa karamay binyang. Nakaredo si Papa. Aga pala ang gusto niya. Di man niya ako pinuto.
Parang di tumatanda si Manay Basyon. Yes.
Ano, matanda na yun.
Parang di ka daw tumatanda. Oo. Kasi ano yung, alam mo yung stress, lang yan
Matanda. Matanda na ako. Walang na. 52 na.
Edad lang yung nagdadagdag.
Mas 53 na nga ni. Pero na lang kabulan. 53 na.
Ano pa pala ako makapunta dyan? Mga 1 year pa. Mahirap pala magpunta dyan. Kala ko bili lang ticket, andyan ka na.
Di lang ganun kadali.
Parang same pa rin mukha niya the last time na nakita ko siya 15 years ago. Oo. Ganun din. Wala naman nagbago. Yes.
Kanina, bayan, di pa kita nag-iimudan.
Ay, minsan, pag magbagat kita, ay pag nandyan na ako, ano ko sira. Pabakasyon na dito kami maano. Mabarakat kita dito sa paborito ta na lugar, sa Switzerland. Ang paborito naman. ang dream ano na to puntahan. Barakat kita dito ni Nini mo. Nini che.
Di ba ako nakapuntahan nila? Busy pa ang life.
Ayo, one time punta kami kay ano, Cherry. Busy man yan to, di man doon luwas ang balay. Di man busy sa sulod sa balay. Kaya, para naman ko nung siya panahon sa luwas. Same here. Thank you, Golden. English. I don't understand. It's okay, insan. Medyo matagal pang matagal pang spouse visa. Spouse visa ay 1 year. Gusto niya kasi sigurado yung di na ako maano. Baka daw kasi ma-denied ako pag fiancé visa kasi medyo prane nga daw ako. Gago din to si Kuan. Oh, tama yan. Magkita-kita tayo sa dream country na to, Switzerland. Oh, nothing is sabi baga, walang imposible. Tapos magurusngab na kita. Okay lang, at least natupad.
Di makakapilit kapag nangyayari.
Patudik mo mapigilan.
Masira yun.
Hindi mo mapigilan, di patulog-tug sira. Copyright lang, pero okay lang. At least basta makaano ako sa inyo tawa. Magaling ko lang. Hindi naman nadi-denied. Minsan ang fiancé, depende lang siya sa requirements na pinakita niya.
Para ko yung sinasinilihan, di mapigilan ang naramdaman. Ang nikotin, sana lang muna mo na dumadari, hindi magaan. At tumutusok, pero puso mo na makakatingan ng nabaga. Enjoy 100 pesos off with code HANDUP.
Basta lang pakasal kayo within 90 days pag dito na kayo. Okay. Hindi sabihan ko siya. Hi, Michael. Bonjour, Michael. Bonsoir. Basta kompleto lang ang docs. Everything is okay na. Nag-iisip siya baka kasi ma-denied. Bonjour to Babel. Hello. Mercy Michael. Mercy Bonjour. Mercy po. Saan na dito? Roman? Hi, ayaw na kasi mayroon pa na. Sa kanila yan. I mean naman siya. Isa pa, uwi na lang siya dyan. Ang nag-deny, yung hindi pa nagkikita at di genuine ang relationship. Okay. I mean,
charger nga yun.
Sabihan ko na ano na lang, para 6 months classes na.
Ako kasi pagkatapos ko mag-charge, nilalagay ko yung charger sa bag. Hindi kasi meron siyang ano lagayan talaga.
Nahirapan ako maghanap na maghanap.
Diba? Mahirap maghanap. Kaya pagkakalit ko mag-charge sa iba. Para pag mag-charge ulit, madali.
Lomi. Hi, back ako. Finish cooking lomi for dinner. Ah, wow. Yummy lomi. I like lomi, tita.
Ako may butang mo na.
Ihabay mo ang ating magsigay, ha?
Yung liso. May gagawin ako.
Sahod ka ba?
Oh, may
Oh, here. May back, mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Yung black mayonnaise.
tinutugas ka siya.
Ito mo, te? Ha? Ito mo?
24.
24 years old. Fresh. Black.
Parang ba?
24 years old.
24 na siya.
Golden. She is 13. Aray ko. 24 years old. Golden, how old are you,
Ay,
Golden?
magtabo kami sa...
Tito likes meat every meal. Ah, okay. This ano, this is my niece. Here, she's my niece. 24 years old. With shrimp, pork, and Chinese sausage. Wow, so yummy, tita. Lomi. But it's up to you guys if ano yun, mas prefer nyo. But for me, mas easy way ang fiancé. Some spouse visa took 2 years to process. Oh my God. Team. Not talking about the little girl. Yeah. The girl in black shirt. Yes, she's my niece. Black shirt. Black shirt. No, black shirt is 24 years old. 4 kids already. Never mind. I do all the cooking and Tito does all the laundry. It's her. Wow, sana all. You're so lucky, Tita.
Kumain ka naman!
Anak kasi ni ate yung wife niya, more than 2 years na now palang naka-approve. Ah, okay. Visit our role before getting married. Yes. Wow, sana oh, tita. Golden, I think she has 1 child already. The black shirt, she's single. She's single. I'm 10 years than her. How old are you, Golden? Ah, you're older than her. 10 years you're older than her. Ah, you're 35 years old, 34. Where are you, ano, in America, Golden? Where are all these Filipinos who make these kids who live inside? Yes. If does she have a baby? Have a baby? No. She don't have a baby. You don't have a baby, Tim. She cute, but I need around my age, like you. Why? The government uses this lead for dads and makes them pay child support here. Oh my god. Sana all did bits dads out. Did bit dads. Oh, I thought she did. We have many programs that financially support single moms through our tax dollars. Wow, thank you, Tita. That's proud of you, Tita. Yes, here also. Proud of you, Tita and Tito. I used to visit new mom in our country for nursing support. You know what, Tita? Some here, his her wife died. Her wife died, and she's a single mother now. No jobs, no home, and she don't know how to start again without a wife, without a husband. No one can support because her family is in the far here in Bicol. So maybe I hope she will recover, and I don't know what happens. Maybe need to emotional support. Like, need to be strong like that. If I enough money, I will give her. But I don't have enough money. She need support, like even a little home. She need that, and the financial for her kids. Maybe she needs to go with her family in other province. Maybe she's from Visaya or Ilonggo. I don't know where she's from. I have interviewed widowed mothers needing support. I assist them and send financial support to the government. I don't know if it's work for, maybe it's direct to give because I think it's for me it to be direct to give, no No need to. But you, thank you Tita and Tito for generosity. We hope you all more people, Filipino people, have need your help. And yes, it's always guide you, always stay safe, stay healthy, like that. Philippines community services are basically non-existent. No help from the elite. Yes. Yes, Tita. Thank you for the thumbs up. 9 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Here the government gives them health insurance and food stamp. It's free food stamp. It's free there. Health insurance and food stamp. Yes, indeed, them, but some abuse it. Abuse it. We went to a barangay and handed out care package to each household. I can provide medical exams to the children because I'm no longer licensed. They were happy to receive rice and foods. Tita, I'm the one of the BNS here in our barangay. We monitor their nutritional status. Then we sorted who children have nutritionally at risk, and the children those are stunted because the lack of vitamins and for food, and the other cases underweight because of same reasons. The hygiene, the problem of the undernourished is the hygiene, large family, and then the place not safe, the place, and then lack of foods, poverty. That's why these children, we monitor their nutrition status. Different, the problem always is poverty, large family size. Undernourished, some are most problem here is stunted because of problem here is stunted, not right for their age. Yes, agree. Be abusive. Same here with no food stamp, but we have food banks. The government sent checks and or direct bank deposit for rent and utilities. Wow, that's a good country there than here. The abusive and skill bitches and complain. They complain because they are what's his stomach in English? I saw some lazy because of the laziness. I saw some people here get some food in food banks but driving an expensive car. Oh my god. Yes, here are also many food banks here. Oh wow. Here, no food banks. I wish her had a food banks. Missing here. Oh my god. Wish same here. Same here, yes. We are a welfare country. Yes, still we have used so much to complain. Still, it's easy now. Yes, we are a welfare country. We treat everyone even for medical issues, citizen or not, taxpayer for the medical bills. Sana all wish, a rich country do that. Here, more rich politician. Corrupt politician here in the Philippines. I hate it. Yes, Tita is so sad that we work so hard and taxes so much. Then some lazy people just yes, that's true. Same here in same here. Unfair for to those people pay taxes. So unfair. Working hard, then pay taxes. See, when you come here, you will get the health care program. Yes, thank you, team. Thank you, team. The ref. No, it's Tyro, the ref now. Let you move now. Charity, you're right. Some of welfare people have self-entitled attitudes. Oh my god. Abusive. Many so abusive people now. I think here, you know what, here, some purpose beneficiary, they are not qualified, but why I don't understand why they are in the purpose beneficiary. But some are need to be, but some are needed to be qualified because no food, no, oh my god, no home. The home it's really, it's really unfair for others. We just super loud. Yes. Can't, Gotta go feed my pogi asawa. He's getting hungry. See you later, everyone. Ingat, Cheryl. Thank you, tita. Take care, tita. Thank you so much. She have a nice big place. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my god, I need to end it live na. Thank you everyone. Thank you team. Thank you tita. Thank you Insan chat. Thank you so much for joining. Hi Golden. Thank you Golden for joining me always here. Guys. Hi Travel Star. Oh my god, sorry I forgot to Travel Star. Wait, who's joining? Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you for the thumbs up and thank you so much for always joining. It helps me to reach the goal. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Malayo pa pero malapit na. Why your live so short? Question. No short. My live now is 1 hour. More than 1 hour now. Already. I always miss it. Tonight, I will do live again, Golden. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you guys. Love you all. Thank you. That shirt. That shirt, Golden. Thank you. Thank you, Golden. Bye-bye.